Hello students, you're welcome to today's lesson. Today we'll be looking at another interesting topic, Nigeria's location, position and size. Now at this lesson we'll be looking at various objectives. One, we should be able to state the location of Nigeria in terms of latitude and longitude. Also, we'll be looking at the position of Nigeria on the globe, the neighboring countries that borders Nigeria. Also, at this lesson, we'll be looking at the size of Nigeria, which has to do with the area extent. Now, looking at the location of Nigeria, Nigeria is located between latitude 4 degree north and 14 degree north of the equator and between 3 degree east and 15 degree east of the Greenwich meridian. With this, the country has a latitudinal extent of 10 degree and a longitudinal extent of 12 degree. One important consequence of the location of Nigeria between latitude 4 degree north and 14 degree north of the equator is that some parts of the country enjoy a hot, wet tropical climate throughout the year. The country Nigeria takes its name from the river Niger that flows through the west of the country to the Atlantic Ocean. Nigeria has a vertically striped green and white-green flag. The green stands for agriculture and the white stands for unity and peace. Looking at the position of Nigeria, it refers to the part of the continent where Nigeria is found. Nigeria is in Africa, West Africa to be precise. It is bounded in the north by the Niger Republic, in the northeast by the Chad Republic, in the east by Cameroon, and in the south by the Atlantic Ocean, and in the west by the Republic of Benin. Nigeria is bounded by French-speaking countries, which are also known as the Francophone West African countries. Looking at the location of Nigeria, located at the extreme inner corner of the Gulf of Guinea on the west coast of Africa, Nigeria occupies an area of 923,768 square kilometers, extending 1,127 kilometers east-west and 1,046 kilometers north-south. Comparatively, the area occupied by Nigeria is slightly more than twice the size of the state of California. The country has a boundary length of 4,900 kilometers, of which 853 kilometers is coastline. Nigeria is Africa's most populous country and the world's 7th most populous, with a total population of 201 million as of 2019 population census. Nigeria is the African country with the largest population, counting approximately 219 million people as of 2022. The largest city in Nigeria is Lagos and is also the largest city in the whole of sub-Sahara Africa. Ibadan is the capital and most populous city of Oyo State in Nigeria. It is the 3rd largest city by population in Nigeria after Lagos and Kano, with a total population of 3,649,000 as of 2021 and over 6 million people within its metropolitan area. It is the country's largest city by geographical area. By geographical area, we mean the land extent. As of 2020, Nigeria has the largest economy in Africa with an annual gross domestic product of $476 billion. Nigeria also has the world's highest fertility rates. As of 2020, an average of 5.4 children are born per woman. Nigeria also has one of the world's lowest life expectancy. As of 2020, it was 54.3, and it recorded the fifth lowest in the world. Nigeria is also one of the world's largest oil producers. It has the world's 8th biggest oil reserves, which is about 37 billion barrels in 2018. The country has also been rated as one of the world's hungriest countries. The 2020 Global Hunger Index placed Nigeria as the world 10th hungriest country. Looking at the size, we said Nigeria is the 4th largest country in West Africa in terms of land area after Niger, Republic, Mali, and Mauritania. The total land area of Nigeria is approximately 923,768 square kilometers, and the greatest distance from east to west is approximately 1,300 kilometers, while from north to south is about 1,100 kilometers. In terms of population, we said Nigeria is the most populous single country in Africa with a population of over 200 million persons. And because of this population, Nigeria is often referred to as the giant of Africa. Also, looking at the area extent or size of the country Nigeria, we say that Nigeria occupies 1/7 of the total mainland areas of West Africa, and the country relief is divided into lowlands and islands. Nigeria is drained by two major rivers, the River Niger and the River Benue. The River Niger, the largest river in Nigeria, has its source from the Guinea Highlands in Guinea, and it passes through Mali and Niger Republic to Nigeria. While the River Benue has its source from the Eastern Highlands and joins the Niger at Lokoja. Nigeria's capital city, Abuja, is located in the center of the country. Remember, we said the neighboring countries of Nigeria. To the north, we have Niger. To the west, we have Benin. To the east, we have Cameroon. The northeast, we have the Chad. And to the south, the Atlantic Ocean. With this, we have come to the end of the lesson. Please do well to attempt your quizzes and ask questions if there are any. Thank you and see you in my next class. Bye for now.